Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see Jenkins build triggers, and in this video I'll explain you webhooks. So let's get started with today's video. So I'll continue working on my first job only. So in configure you can go to triggers, and here you can see GitHub hook triggers to GitHub SCM polling. So this option we will be choosing for webhooks. And now let's go to GitHub repo. So here in your repo settings, go to webhooks. So here you can see add webhook. So it will ask for authentication. You can provide your GitHub password here and then continue. So here you can see payload URL you need to pass. Then now content type, secret, and SSL verification. All these things you need to pass. So in payload URL, you need to pass your Jenkins URL basically. So I'm having on localhost, so that's why I'm just adding localhost. This will not work. I'm just showing you to how to pass that, and endpoint is like provided by Jenkins only, so that you need to use. So I'm using ngrok, so that will allow me to use localhost Jenkins server. So it basically provides you a link that you can use here, so that I have used in payload URL. So now let's create one more file. So let's say webhook.txt. So then you can write webhook. Just let's commit this. So in Jenkins you can see now 11 jobs are there. So let me show you webhooks. So here in manage webhooks you can see, so here last one you can see delivery is done. So if we will see in Jenkins job, so you can see Jenkins job is already started as new changes were there. And if you will see commit also, so here you can see create webhook.txt is taken. And in the end you can see I'm adding one build log.txt and committing that back. So if I'll go, so here if I'll refresh, so here you will be able to see that one more recent delivery is there. So as it's getting like new changes every time. So if I'll go back to my first job, then you can see 13 is also there. So let me just commit this, because this is not required as of now. So this will be stopped after now, as there is no circular dependency. So here you can see now till now 3-4 deliveries are done. So make sure you handle this all these things properly. So that's how you can use build triggers webhook. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.